Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable with a 10 mm wrench to prevent sparks. Remove the key and wait 1 minute. Raise the 1998 Ford Explorer using a floor jack and set jack stands so the frame sits about 16 inches above the ground for safe access. Stabilize the vehicle and chock the wheels. Put on eye protection and gloves. Use a marker or masking tape to label the starter wires and their positions so you can reconnect them correctly later. Locate the starter on the bell housing under the engine. First, unplug the solenoid connector and loosen the nut on the battery cable with a 10 mm wrench, then remove both wires. Support the starter with your hand or a short jack. This prevents it from falling when bolts are removed. Remove the two upper 15 mm mounting bolts and the lower 13 mm bolt. Carefully lower the starter straight out of the bell housing, clearing the axle and exhaust, and set it on a clean surface for inspection. Position the replacement starter into the bell housing and align it to the input shaft. Thread the two 15 mm bolts and the 13 mm lower bolt by hand to ensure correct fit. Tighten the bolts evenly until snug, then torque to factory spec if available. If not, tighten securely without over-torquing. Reattach the battery cable to the starter solenoid and plug in the wiring using your labeled markers. Lower the vehicle. Reconnect the negative battery cable with a 10
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.